Here's an awesome idea. As a last tribute, you can create art out of outdated technology that you've saved for sentimental reasons. With the help of Xreart, you can now disassemble your old technology and turn individual parts into stunning works of disassembled tech art. You can't believe some things until you see them for yourself. This is also true of the art of disassembly, practiced by the company named Xreart, which uses dismantled digital devices to create eye-catching wall art. This includes several iPhone models that have now been disassembled into their component parts and are now being sold as framed works of art. To begin with, who is Xreart exactly? How did the concept begin? For the most part, the concept is straightforward. Take a piece of technology that has an impact on history and turn it into a piece of art. Putting an iPhone into a frame would have been too easy for Xreart. In the end, the best solution is to disassemble the phone part by part, label each component onto a piece of cardboard, and put them all together in a minimalist frame protected by plexiglass to hang onto the wall. It's a unique way to keep the technology alive, as well as fascinating opportunities to learn about the inner workings of a smartphone. Because Xreart provided it to me, I was able to see firsthand the high quality of their work and the process they employed to create it. Xreart Studio was established in 2019. The company is currently focusing on mostly Apple products, iPhone and watches, but not ignoring the products such as Nintendo's Game Boy, which is available in a variety of different models, and the PlayStation Portable. We've got the historic iPhone 1, also known as the iPhone Original or iPhone 2G, here for review. As you can see from the video, Xreart took an old iPhone 1 which proudly shows the signs of aging, disassembled it, cleaned it, and placed it into a frame. The various components are glued onto a white card which serves as a legend for each component. However, it must be said that Xreart did not use real batteries here. The absence of the iPhone battery in the frame dedicated to the original iPhone is not a deficiency and does not make the final result any less pleasant. The logic board stands out the most, positioned in the center right of the frame, with a screen and a back cover framing other elements arranged in an orderly fashion, each with a description. They include everything from the camera to the power button, as well as the volume rocker, the SIM tray and various connectors. On the top left instead, the model is described with original characters, together with the launch date and the date of discontinuation from the market of the device, also in this case to emphasize the uniqueness of the product. Xreart and DIY. Xreart also meets those who already have an iPhone, from the first iPhone to the iPhone X, and want to make it a DIY tech art. You can purchase the frame with the cardboard template, along with the tools needed to disassemble the phone. And for those who have no budget to allocate to this operation, blueprint templates are always available for purchase, and some are even free to print independently to create a work of art at no cost. There's a link in the description if you don't want to buy a ready-made disassembled art and you want to do a complete DIY. I like the idea of Xreart very much, and being a fan of Apple, I decided to reserve a spot for the iPhone Original, as it changed the history of smartphones forever. The prices are also not bad. They start from $139 for an iPhone 4 and get up to $299 to take home the disassembled tech art for the first generation iPhone. You can roughly imagine the effort involved in making this disassembled art, even if you do it yourself, and the necessary work and time to disassemble, clean, and glue down each part properly. All of this costs money, and most importantly, time, so I believe the cost is justified. In any case, such a frame is a real eye-catcher on the wall, and will undoubtedly draw attention, providing a topic of conversation. Such a frame would also make an excellent gift for tech enthusiasts. We strongly suggest that you visit Xreart's website to view the variety of products they have. They sell frames of disassembled smartwatches, game consoles such as PSP, iPhone frames, and a few additional frame designs you may find appealing. We are pleased to share this with you because it's something new and interesting. Not many people have this artwork hanging in their homes. And most of all, it's helping to recycle older devices in an amazing artistic way because they won't wind up in landfill, and it can be used for creative tech art. As always, thank you for checking out our review. Also, if you are interested in learning more about this product, we provided the links down in the description below. If you liked this video and found it helpful, do not forget to give a like, comment, and a subscribe. See you soon!